Guy Jeans here, Kern River Fly Fishing Report. Giving you a view from my deck here. And this is Tuesday, February 26th. The flows have come down, you guys, to 700 CFS. It's really, really nice. The river is clear. Just checked the water temperature in town at the park, and it's 45 degrees, and it's pretty nice. People are catching fish in the park as well, which is kind of nice. Looking good. We do have a storm coming in, it looks like tomorrow, but the river is holding about 700 CFS. Great conditions. Talk to you soon.